UI is here now. The technician is replacing all the connections between the house and the pole. So we'll see if that solves the problem. She said to leave everything on, so I did. I guess she wants to see how it behaves. So it looks like, is that everything? Or is that one phase? Yeah, that's everything. That's both phases are now disconnected. The technician from UI just finished the repair. We have new connectors now. Ultimately, the problem was, as speculated, the common connection was deteriorated and not working properly. So now we're back to 119.8 over here, which is really close to what it's supposed to be. And we'll check the other leg over here, and we're going to find that it's pretty much the same. 119.4.5. So within half a volt difference, that's an acceptable margin of error. We'll turn the oven on here, draw some power, and it goes down slightly, which is normal behavior, and then it stays there. And we'll plug in some Christmas lights, pull 18 amps out of here, and it goes down a little bit more, and then it's stable. And we're stable over here too, at 118 instead of 129. So it was a simple fix. Why did it happen? I have my speculations. The fiber was installed yesterday, and the fiber cleats to the house a couple inches from where the electricity cleats to the house. So if I had to guess, I would say that the wires might have just been inadvertently tapped or something during the, like your arm hits it or something. Nothing aggressive, but maybe they just got hit a little bit when the fiber was being installed, and that caused the deteriorated connection to just come a little bit loose, or maybe the wind took it off. I don't know. The timing is just awfully coincidental. I noticed it as soon as he was done with the fiber. So. Well, that's it. It's fixed now. We got all new connections on the house, which is better that way anyways. And it was generally a pretty good experience too. And I called, they answered the phone in 3 rings. The woman I spoke with was coherent and pleasant. And the technician was out here within 2 hours. And the technician was great. She solved the problem quickly. She even came in the house. I asked her a couple questions about the stuff downstairs. She gave me answers on that, which isn't really what she was here for. And yeah, everything was fine. So a nuisance, but at least now it's fixed and should be good for a while. And she told me that it's 100 amps down there, so we're operating well within what's allocated. So that's that. What is next? We had the flood a couple days ago. We had the electrical breakdown yesterday. I don't even want to know what's next. And in fact, the technician told me she lives in the area and her basement flooded too. So that storm was, that was something. That was absolutely something.